a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it.
I'm Grumpy. Welcome to episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're doing part 2, and today we're doing our mashed potatoes. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into those mashed potatoes. Alright, so after you boil your potatoes and strain them, run a little cold water on them, cool them down, shock them. Then you want to get your masher and just start mashing, just like that, until you get a nice, white, pulpy look. Your butter in and mash around your butter so it mixes in there. A lot of people give me guff for it, but I think it helps the flavor. And now, while you have the butter in there melting down, add your salt and pepper. So, alright, now we're going to add our secret ingredient right before we add our milk, which is sharp cheddar with bacon infused into it. So we're going to go ahead and grate a little bit of that in there so it can melt down real nice. And after we mix and melt, we're going to add our milk. Alright, the last thing you want to add, a little bit of milk. You want to add just enough to get your creaminess, just like that, and then you want to just start whisking it together. Hung through us with enough time in all 3 videos, you'll see the end result of our hard work. Fried chicken, home style, mashed potatoes, and gravy. That's how we do it. Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy.